Smoothies are a great way to start your day. They are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to mix and match ingredients to suit your taste and nutritional needs. They are quick and easy to make, perfect for those busy mornings when you need something nutritious on the go. You can pack a lot of nutrients into one drink, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for your overall health. This can give you energy and focus for hours, making it easier to tackle your daily tasks with enthusiasm and clarity. Smoothies can be a meal replacement, providing you with all the essential nutrients you need without the hassle of cooking a full meal. They can be a healthy choice for breakfast or lunch, offering a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats to keep you going. A smoothie can keep you full and satisfied until your next meal, preventing unhealthy snacking and helping you maintain a balanced diet. This recipe is for a smoothie that is both delicious and nutritious, combining the best of taste and health benefits. It is packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein, ensuring you get a well-rounded intake of essential nutrients. It is also low in sugar and calories, making it a guilt-free option for those watching their intake. This smoothie is perfect for people who are looking for a healthy and convenient meal replacement, especially those with a busy lifestyle. It is also great for people who want to improve their cognitive function, thanks to ingredients known for their brain-boosting properties. This smoothie is perfect for busy people who need a quick and nutritious meal. Are you always on the go, juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities? Do you often find yourself skipping breakfast or lunch because you simply don't have the time? Then this smoothie is exactly what you need. It's designed for people like you. It only takes a few minutes to make, so you can easily fit it into your busy schedule. You can take it with you on the go, ensuring you never miss a meal. This smoothie is also great for students who need sustained energy and focus. Do you need to improve your focus and concentration during long study sessions? The nutrients in this smoothie can help you stay sharp and focused all day long, making it easier to tackle your tasks. If you are trying to eat healthier, this smoothie is a fantastic option. It is packed with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and protein to give you a balanced meal. It is a good source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. This smoothie can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Here are the ingredients you will need to create a delicious and nutritious smoothie that will kickstart your day with energy and vitality. Start with 1 cup of mixed greens like spinach and kale. These leafy greens are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, providing a strong nutritional foundation for your smoothie. Next, add half a cup of strawberries. These vibrant berries are not only a good source of vitamin C, but also add a natural sweetness to your drink. Include half a banana for a boost of potassium and energy. Bananas also contribute to the creamy texture of the smoothie. Add a 1/4 cup of raspberries. These little gems are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of blueberries. Known for their benefits to brain health, blueberries are a fantastic addition to any smoothie. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed will provide a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Similarly, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, helping to keep you full and satisfied. Use 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk as your liquid base. It's a great source of calcium and keeps the smoothie light and dairy-free. Add 1 scoop of protein powder to help you feel full and satisfied, making this smoothie a perfect meal replacement. Finally, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter will provide additional protein and healthy fats, rounding out the nutritional profile of your smoothie. You can find all of these ingredients at your local grocery store. With these simple, wholesome ingredients, you can create a smoothie that's not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. Now it is time to make the smoothie. First, add the mixed greens, strawberries, banana, raspberries, and blueberries to a blender. Next, add the flaxseed, chia seeds, almond milk, protein powder, and peanut butter. Blend until smooth, pour into a glass and enjoy your delicious creation. You can adjust the ingredients to your liking, add more or less of any of the ingredients. You can also add other ingredients such as yogurt, honey, or spices. This smoothie is best when it is fresh. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Enjoy every sip.